Today we will read the essay Examination. Examination is a test of knowledge. It is a thing that students hate most. It is like a nightmare for him. Examination may be pleasure for a few students, but for majority of them they are bore. Examinations have their uses and abuses. They are the test of working power. It is by examination that we know what progress a student has made. They are a proof of the fitness of a student for the higher class. Without examination, we cannot find out a suitable man for a job. Secondly, examinations are the test of ability. They help us to find out the ablest candidate out of a group of many to fill all higher services. Examinations are held. Thirdly, examinations guide us to study properly. It is the fear of examination that makes us work. Many careless students grow serious near the examination. They try to be regular. About half of the students in a college or school read for the sake of examination. Examinations have their dark side also. First, they tell upon the health of young students. They sit up late in the night to prepare for the examination. They suffer from the sleeplessness. Secondly, examinations encourage the very bad habit of cramming. In this way, they become a test of money, not of intelligence. Thirdly, examinations are no sure test of one's ability. Chance plays a great part in all examinations. Many prominent persons of the world are not holder of degrees. But so far, no alternative to examination has been found. We cannot change it, but we can improve it. I think final exams should have less marks. There should be monthly assessments by the teachers. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.